just going to share with you guys today a video of my vehicle that I use to get to and from jobs. I'm going to walk around and show you the things that I've done to it. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let's have a good one. There you go, guys, another video. What I was going to share with you guys today is my vehicle setup for the 2019-2020 mowing season, which is about to kick off in the next couple of weeks here in Australia. Yeah, you guys that are new to my channel, I'm Nate from Nate's Low Cost Yard Maintenance. We're based in southeast Queensland. Here you go, guys, another video. I'm Nate from Nate's Low Cost Yard Maintenance. In southeast Queensland, Australia, and yeah, it's currently getting up to 26 degrees and getting down around 10 degrees, 12 degrees at night, so we're right on the edge of kicking off our mowing season for the year. And so I was going to share with you guys my vehicle setup, which is new for us. We've just had it for about 5.5 months now. It's new for us coming into winter. So this will be our first season, and we've sort of got it set up now how I want it, how it's working efficiently and everything like that. So I just want to run through what things I've done and sort of what's standard issue and that sort of thing on this vehicle, and the benefits and that. So yeah, I'm showing you here my 2004 Holden Rodeo dual cab turbo diesel 4x2 pickup. It's yeah, a 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel, and so I'll run through things that I've done. First off, we'll start here in the cockpit, the cabin. The driving position where I'd normally sit, and so we've got the navband GPS system, got the GoPro 1080p action camera, we've got the Uniden, it's a 720p or 1080p or something, Uniden dash cam. I think it's a 720p model. It only holds a 3 gig card. The GoPro's got like 16 or 32. Then I got the phone cradle that I'm filming from at the moment. It's one of those contact charging pad thingies. Then moving down the driver's side of the dash, I've got an aux cord auxiliary cable for my music from my phone to the head unit, and then I've got a control panel for my lights on the outside. Down the center of the dash we've got the EDS engine data system, which gives you like all the real-time data, logging in information from the ECU. It's got a JVC head unit, USB in, auxiliary in, all that sort of thing for the CDs. We've got a Uniden 40 channel UHF. Which is just like a two-way radio sort of setup with 40 channels that's open to the public, and yeah, normally like channel 18's caravans and channel 40 is your trucks and all that sort of stuff on the highway. So if you wanted to know what was going on down the road or whatever, you can call up and ask for a traffic report or whatever on that. Yeah, down in the console is where everything plugs in, and I've got a spare SIG socket and a USB down there. You'll see we got vinyl floor throughout, which is far better than carpet Also got a mat on the dash. The rear vision mirror I've changed to the American style. So I have an old Cadillac that's called a lane changer. So it's sort of like a curved mirror, so I can see out all angles. Similar view to what the camera's getting at the moment. It's what I get out of the rear vision mirror. Little axe hanging off the middle of the dash. And I'll move around to the passenger side here. Also vinyl floor. I've got vocal component speakers in the front doors. And 6x9s and 6.5-inch Pioneer speakers in the rear doors. We've got a little fridge in the back there, just a little 6-can cooler fridge. It's also a warmer if you wanted to keep your lunch hot or whatever, so that's sort of handy. Yeah, lockable glove box. And move to the outside. So some of the features on the outside, I've changed from 15 to a 16-inch wheel. Originally it was like a 215 70 15 light truck tyre, so I've gone to a 245 70 16 all-terrain, the Bridgestone Jeweler. Moving around into the engine bay. So under the bonnet there's a few things I've done. Obviously got the pod filter with the heat shield. I've also got the EGR system blocked off at the exhaust manifold and also at the intake manifold. So the EGR system no longer works. Essentially it just takes exhaust gas away from the turbo, so it takes longer for the turbo to build up boost pressure or force air into the motor, which is the sole intentions of the turbo. And, the EGR system sort of just puts the exhaust gas back in through the intake, which you don't really want, so we've got that blocked off. Yeah, showing the factory wastegate system on the turbo underneath there, so it's not using that EGR system to control boost or anything like that. So we've got all the Ryco filters, be the oil filter, and then the factory fuel filter, and then moving around underneath you'll see the aftermarket filter for the fuel, which has also got like a water separator device on it, which has been added on. And the chassis rail there, we've got the dual battery solenoid and the relays for all the lights on the outside. Moving around to the back, we've also got the tonneau cover, and I've added the sports bar and lights up on the roof. It shows the Heyman Reese tow bar on the back there, with all your connections for your trailer and all that gear. Underneath it's got the 1-ton suspension, so I think there's like an extra flat leaf across the bottom that you'll see. And yeah, she's a full chassis vehicle. It's not a monocoque chassis or anything like that, so based on an Isuzu truck. So next I'll show you inside my tub, sort of my setup on my back window with all my stickers and that. things that I've done so far. Looking at it from the front, you got some 6-inch spotlights on the bumper bar, and we've got 9-inch spotlights on the roof with a few more to come there. And you got the long range UHF antenna on the front bar. That's about all there is to show on the vehicle. But yeah, I'll go and edit all this together and give you a look, and you guys have a good day.